Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to introduce you to the very first code in HTML, very first script in HTML, and I'll just introduce you to this first script, a very basic script, so that you have an idea how to start writing the first HTML code and how to identify what tags do what, basic tags basically. So I already discussed few tags, most of these tags in our first video where I explained the anatomy of HTML. And so here doc type. This also I introduced in my previous video. Doc type HTML would be our first line always. Whenever we start writing HTML code, doc type HTML, and basically this tag would always come between a less than and greater than sign, and then there'll be exclamation mark, and then there'll be doc type HTML. HTML represents HTML5. I explained this in my previous video. So after this first line doc type HTML, we have to open HTML tag. This HTML tag tells me that my HTML code starts here. This is how web identifies that this is HTML code. And always remember, if we are opening an HTML tag, we have to close the HTML tag as well. And how do we close? Between this less than and greater than, we write HTML to open it, and just put a forward slash before this HTML word, and this will be closed. So now between HTML, these HTML open and close tags, we have uh, head tag, we have body tag, and inside head tag we have title tag. So let's see about the head tag. Let's talk about the head tag. We start with opening head tag, and then we have the title. This title, I'll show where the title appears in my actual web page. So I just open title tag, write my first title, and close the title tag. I can write anything here, whatever title I want. Title appears above the address bar, and I'll show you where it appears just after going through all the code. Then after closing the head tag, I open the body tag. In body tag we can have paragraphs, and we can have headers can be of different sizes, starting from h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. I have written h1 and h2. I'll probably write other ones as well, so that, or maybe I'll just show you the web page, and then I'll change it and then show how it will affect the web page. I think that will be better. So I'll first save this file, and I'll save this as HTML file. I'll save this as a file with the uh, extension as uh, HTML. So first HTML file I'll say, and extension is HTML. You can see here, first HTML file.html. So I'll save it here, and then I'll go and open this web page saved as HTML. And now if you see this file which is opened here, and you'll see that I have the title, which is first title, which was here shown here, appears here, this place, first title. So a title appears here, title, which we write inside the title tag, which is in turn inside the head tag, appears here, first title. And then we have headers which are appearing here, first h1 heading, first h2 heading. Then we have this paragraphs tag. I will explain this paragraph tag. So we have paragraph tag open, then paragraph tag close. We have represent paragraph tag by p, then second paragraph, and then we close the body tag. Of course, headers and paragraph, they come under body tag. And finally we close HTML tag when we are done closing with head tag here and body tag here. So there are two sub tags inside HTML tag in this program, head tag and body tag, and then other tags we have inside head tag or body tag. So inside inside body tag, which is inside main HTML tag, we have header tag and paragraph tag, and inside head tag again, which is under HTML tag, we further have title tag. So now the page appears like this, and Now if I want to change, maybe I just want to include more headers first of all. So let us include more headers here. Let us show you how do they look like. So we have h1 to h6 headers, and h1 is the biggest header of biggest size, and then it reduces as we reduce the numbers. So h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, accordingly it reduces. H3, h4, h5, h6. So then I save it, and then I open my web page and I refresh it, and you can see we have different headers starting from h1 to h6, and we have first paragraph, we have second paragraph, which I wrote here. And that's how my basic web page looks like when we write a basic code, basic HTML code. I'll explain these tags in more details, how uh, what are the different things we can do with these tags, like paragraph tag, header tag. I'll or I, what are further different things we can do with these tags, or putting it rightly. In my further videos I'll show you that. This was just a basic code, very basic HTML code, uh, which I wanted to show so that you have a familiarity with HTML coding. First HTML coding. How do we start about? How do we start writing a code? What are the first things which first tags which we see when we write the HTML code? So thank you.